In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GoalSeek in Excel for what-if analysis. We'll be working in Microsoft Excel, and the goal is to understand how GoalSeek helps you find the input value needed to reach a specific result in a formula. This is one of Excel's built-in what-if analysis tools, and it's especially useful when you know the outcome you want, but you need Excel to figure out what number will get you there. To make this easy to follow, let's use a simple sales example. In our worksheet, we have a price of 50, a quantity of 10, and total sales of 500. The total sales value comes from a formula that multiplies price by quantity. In this case, the formula in cell B4 is equals B2 times B3. Since 50 multiplied by 10 equals 500, that gives us our current result. Now let's say you want total sales to be 1,000 instead of 500. Rather than guessing different quantity values manually, GoalSeek can calculate the required quantity for you automatically. First, make sure your formula is already set up correctly. In this example, cell B2 contains 50, cell B3 contains 10, and cell B4 contains the formula equals B2 times B3. Right now, that formula returns 500, which is our starting point. Next, go to the Data tab in Excel. From there, click What If Analysis and then choose GoalSeek. This opens the GoalSeek dialog box, where you'll tell Excel what result you want and which value it is allowed to change. In the Set Cell field, select the formula cell, which is B4. This is the cell containing the result you want to control. In the To Value field, enter 1,000, because that's the target total sales amount you want to reach. Then, in the By Changing Cell field, select B3. This tells Excel to adjust the quantity in order to make the formula result equal 1,000. Once everything is filled in, click OK. Excel will run the calculation and determine the quantity needed to hit your target. In this example, Excel changes the quantity from 10 to 20. Since the price stays at 50, multiplying 50 by 20 gives you total sales of 1,000. That's how GoalSeek works. It starts with the result you want and works backward to find the missing input. It's a quick and practical way to perform what-if analysis in Excel, especially when you're working with formulas like sales, budgets, targets, or projections.